What's up, YouTube? We are back with another video, and today I have to say I wasn't planning on buying another green stock, but as you can see, we got one right here. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showing you my new green stocks that I got. They came probably like last week, so I haven't got outside to plant them, build them up because it's been cold, and today it's been raining. So today we're gonna do a little inside unboxing to show you how the green stocks are coming. So this was part of the BOGO deal that Greenstalk just had. This is a lid. This is the lid for the water basin. This color is strawberry. When I first got the green stocks, I didn't get the lids, and then I went back and got them, and I found it out like these are a necessity for me. Like down here in the South, we have a lot of trees, and trees have a lot of leaves, so you got to pick this up. This is very good to have. And I got two because it's BOGO, but these was not part of the BOGO sale. So I can leave a link in the description so you can check these out as well. I'm not sure if they still have the strawberry, but you can still buy the lids, and they work with all the other color green stocks. Right here is their water basins. Simple. This is goes to the top of the green stocks. You put the water in here, and it trickles down into each compartment. Inside, you get your watering disc, 2 portier, and we're gonna set that up as well. Inside every box of green stock, they send you the vertical planter instructions for the leaf guide. Bring this up so y'all can see it. And it shows you all the good stuff that you can plant in the green stock, the leaf, and the original. It tells you about how you're supposed to stack them, how you water them, how the watering system works, and everything. So make sure y'all check this out. And also every pack of green stock, it gives you a card, and it tells you who packaged your thing. So if you guys see them, thank y'all for packaging my green stock strawberry. 3 tiers. And you also get a thing of seeds. Seeds be random depending on what type of the year. This time we got some kale. All right. And then they give you some little stickers that you can put on your green stock. I always put the stickers on them. For me, I should have set them back up when I took them down the same way, but it lets you know like when I need to rotate them. So if I have, for instance, let me show you. So we're gonna use the bumblebee. All right, this is our first tier. So let's say I put the bumblebee right here, and I say, oh, I need to change it to another part. I can switch it to another part of the green stock, so I know that the bumblebee is the first. When I see the bumblebee again, that means it made a full rotation around. All right, and these are the basis right here for the green stock. Just like the other ones, this is the original. Let's go ahead and stack this up for you so you can see. Let's see. right, we're gonna put that one there. And remember, you got to get your watering trays as well. Stack it. Grab you another one. Remember, they interlock. It locked into place. Line up your disc with the holes, with the pockets. Just goes on like so, just like the other one. All right. You got them two on there. And then you come back up with the watering disc. Just like so. And then you come back and pop on the lid. And there you got it. So this is the 3-tier strawberry Greenstalk that I got from the BOGO deal. So I got 2 of these. And I'm still trying to decide what I want to put in them. I know I'm going to put flowers in them. But I'm trying to see if I want to do flowers and peppers. So, and how I like to do them, I want to do pepper, flower, pepper, flower. Like if I have a flower here, I want a pepper there, and just to keep it to go on or something to look, you know, to make it look good. We're having difficulties with our tripod. So yeah, y'all, this is it. Even though the BOGO sale is over, you can still get you a 3-tier, a 5-tier, or a 7-tier Greenstalk. The 7-tier is a leaf. Good for like herbs and stuff like that, smaller plants. All right, well, I hope y'all like this video. I know it's short, but I said I might as well go ahead and make a video and let y'all know what I got coming for y'all. So once the weather warms up, we'll be getting outside and we'll be getting ready to plant all of those flowers and vegetables and type of things that we have out there already growing into the Greenstalk. All right, as always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And watch my other videos. Make sure you share the channel. Our goal is we're still trying to get to 100 subscribers. If you can, just hit that subscribe button for me. We also do stream on Twitch. All my information is in the bio, so you can catch me over there playing some kind of games or doing some type of reactions if you like. All right, chat. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.